Welcome back to the train channel. We should have a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Probably can't see at the moment because there's a freight just moved. There he goes, right there. Got a big grain hopper train right now. Yeah, there's only the engineer on the front now. I got a bigger grain hopper train like that, but there's a stop right now. I had to get the switch first before. It's not. There's nothing on right now, so. There we go. Now they're going backwards now. But yeah, we didn't get all of it because no, we didn't get all of it in this one. Yeah, we didn't get all of it. We got at least some of the hopper train and the Alco 85. There's a stop right now. Now we're gonna stay on because they're gonna be coming back. Well, hopefully with all of it. Hopefully with all of it, because we didn't get all of it because of the freight in the way. So hopefully we'll get the rear. I should have got that rear to begin with right there. Now, camera staying on. Here they come now. I wish they had two whistles, but the 75 had the two whistles. But this Alco unit does not have two whistles, they only have one. Now we're approaching 5 minutes right now, and we're still going on right now. We start off the video with the returning of Tom, and then we got some train videos on right now. I hope we get all of it this time. No. Yep, they stopped it again. I was trying to get all of it, but I don't think we're not going to get all of it this time. Yeah, I don't think we're not going to get all of it this time. I don't know what track is it, because like I said, there's a freight blocking at the moment. There's a freight in the blockwise. No, actually I can see a little. Oh, I can see Tom a little bit, but that's it. I thought I was going to get all of it, but I couldn't get it. Maybe I'll get all of it on that freight here in a minute. Let's see if we get all of it. See if we get all of it this time or not. Oh. Must be going to the other one.
Your socks are filthy, bud.
Oh, really?
Just put these on. What are you walking around in?
No, Socks has been doing it.
What are you doing? Can I get a high five? You can give me a high five. Pound. Nice job. Oh, you need your nose wiped.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I had them newer socks since last Wednesday, and then I thought, uh-oh. No, it's not the cord I use, and just the phone one, right?
No, no touch. That one's mommy's.
Now I can see him now. I can see Tom right now, but I have to. No, they didn't cap. No, we're gonna have to wait till Monday. I don't know if they'll get rid of that airplane hopper Friday, but if not, what's that?
I want to be able to reach his shoe.
Oh, I just thought you're gonna be.
Elliot, where's your shoe?
There's a stop. All right, that's gonna be it. We'll be back on in a little bit. We'll be back on with the next. Talk to you later.